Hello Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment po kung nakaresonate kayo. Okay? So, tignan natin kung ano yung mga messages ni universe sa iyo at this time. So, we have the world energy. The world is ending and beginning. No? Yung ending dito is completion. May accomplishments kayo, may achievements na makakamit sa ngayon. Ano? This is, you're finishing work, you're finishing study siguro, you're finishing a project, yung ganon. Kaya maging masayang-masaya ka because this is time for success, no? This is a successful period, no, sa buhay ninyo, Libra, kaya napakaganda. At travel is also imminent for most of you, Libra. Baka kayo ay magta-travel, po pwedeng across the globe, di ba? International travel, po pwede rin naman na hindi, po pwede rin naman na domestic. But yeah, there is travel that is going to happen, no? What else? We have Six of Swords. This is also travel energy. So, meron talagang magta-travel for various reasons, no? This is you moving from troubled waters to calmer waters. So, maaaring magre-relocate ang iba sa inyo. Aalis kayo sa kung saan kayo lugar nakatira or kung ang lugar ninyo ng trabaho is different from your home, so maybe you are going back home, no? So, pwedeng ganun. Kasi depende kung ang sitwasyon na panggagalingan ninyo rito is trabaho, kunyari, pwede rin na pamilya, relationship, yung ganon. Something na unhealthy na ito para sa'yo. Something na maaaring toxic na. No, kumbaga, napapaligirin kayo ng toxicity. And for the longest time, maaaring nagtiyaga ka dyan, nagtiis ka dyan. Pero ngayon, you are moving away from that, no? Mas iisipin mo na sa ngayon, magmo-move on ka na, magmo-move forward ka na sa buhay mo, and you're going to remove yourself from that toxicity because you are choosing happiness. You're choosing your peace, diba? And harmony within yourself. So, which is really good. So, what else? We have Ten of Cups, and this is where you're heading. Magiging masaya ka, diba? Magiging masaya ka, magiging fulfilled ka rito sa kasama ang inyong pamilya. No? This is happy family, domestic bliss, domestic happiness. You are also siguro you're going to be with your family. You're going to be with someone na doon ka, yung parang magkakaroon ka ng relationship dito na matuturing mong yung taong magiging karelasyon mo is your home. Diba? You're going to be feeling safe with that person. Yung parang at ease ka, comfortable ka with nakasama ang taong yon, no? So, yun na napipick up ko dito. But for others of you na hindi ganun ang sitwasyon, this is happy family. This is domestic bliss, domestic happiness. Meron din ditong financial prosperity, abundance. No? Kaya komportable ang pamumuhay ng pamilya because meron kung ano mga needs mo, ano mga wants mo, maaari din na nai-enjoy mo na din yon, no? So, kaya good luck sa iyo. So, tignan natin kung ano pa ang mga messages ninyo, Libra. Ano pa ang inyong mga mensahe na galing kay Universe? We have lost but never alone. Ayan. So, maybe you're feeling lost. No? Mag-isa ka. Nawawala. Diba? Maaring, maaring pakiramdam mo lang. No? Maaring nasa pakiramdam mo lang ito. But it's not yung physical, no? Na aspeto, hindi ganon. And you're never alone. No? Kung ganun man ang inyong nararamdaman, wag kayong mag-isip na talagang wala kayong kasangga. Because unang-una, mawalan man kayo ng mga kasama, wala kayong kasamang tao sa paligid ninyo, but the spirit realm is there for you. No? So you just need to pray, diba? Have a conversation with God, have a conversation with your angels and your spirit guides through prayer. At mararamdaman mo yung presensya nila. So, hindi ka nag-iisa. Alright? So, what else? Heal yourself to heal the world. Exactly. Diba? Papaano ninyo matutulungan mag-heal ang mundo, ang mga tao sa paligid ninyo kung ikaw mismo. Diba? Kailangan mo din munang gamutin ang sarili mo. Kung ikaw mismo, kailangan mo din na ayusin mo na kung ano ang inyong sitwasyon. Diba? So, what else? We have natural healing power. Ayan. So, maaari, no, na you're a healer, Libra. Kaya pala, heal yourself to heal the world. Kasi ikaw mismo, 'di ba? You have natural healing power. You can heal yourself, no? And maaring 'yan ay madidiscover mo pa lang. Maaring 'yan ay hindi mo pa alam, hindi mo pa kabisado yung sarili mo. Maybe ngayon mo pa lang 'yan maaring ngayon ka pa lang magiging aware na you have natural healing powers. Okay? So, good luck. Thank you for watching, Love and Light. Namaste.